Bulavinaka and Bonjour from Paris. I'm Mereoni Mili and I'm a journalist with Fijian News. I'm here in France as per the invitation from the Ministry of Europe and Foreign Affairs to discuss more about the Indo-Pacific strategy and what it means for the Pacific. As you know, France has invested 200 million euros for the strategy to assist the Pacific. So we are here to understand more about the strategy on areas of infrastructure, health, sports, and also climate change. We visited the Olympic Village and where the athletes will be staying in 2024 for the Olympics and Paralympic Games. And we've also spoken more on sports diplomacy, what it means for the Pacific, as we have so many athletes and rugby players here in France. So it has been a good week of discussion, and as a young journalist myself, it was an eye-opener, and also for me, it made me gain more knowledge about the Indo-Pacific partnership and how the French want to build their relationship with the Pacific and be partners and not dictate what they do in the region. Vinaka.